Good morning. We are back with another episode of Borak Bersama Maybank, and this time with some highlights on some unexpected movements within the Malaysian crude palm oil space. Our clients have been asking about this topic. So thankfully, we have one of our senior retail analysts, Amirah Azmi, to give us details of the plantation sector's latest going-ons. So welcome back onto the show, Amirah.
Thank you.
Okay, kicking off, looking at the CPO future charts, I see that prices have pretty much bottomed out sometime in mid-September this year. Right after that, it was a straight tear towards the 5,000 ringgit per ton level. Around the same time frame, majority of our plantation sectors, analyst cheatings by rated stocks have saw double-digit gains before the recent drop. So to get the ball rolling, could you maybe give us an overview of what the cause of the spike was in CPO prices back in September?
Okay, sure. So basically, the crude palm oil strength definitely caught the market by surprise over the past month, with the prices rapidly rising to above 5,000 ringgit per ton. And this is on the back of the tight CPO supply in the region, especially in Indonesia. So, according to our plantation sector analysts, Indonesia's crop they experienced unexpectedly poor in the third quarter of this year. So this is basically due to the biological tree rest and the lack impact of the third quarter's last year's mild El Nino. But nonetheless, what we gather is that Indonesia's fourth quarter output for this year is gaining momentum and will likely post double-digit month-on-month increase for the month of October. But still, it remains unclear how strong is the production recovery and whether or not it will spill over into the first quarter of next year. But so far, the FCPO market strength suggests that the market is not convinced that production recovery will be strong.
Okay, thanks, Amirah. So it sounds like our Indonesian neighbors' production could be ramping up, potentially causing CPO prices to fall as well. Okay, so now let's look back at Malaysia's production for some clues on future prices. What do you think are the local factors that might affect CPO prices, and what are our new price target or expectations moving forward?
Okay, right. So based on our research house findings, Malaysia's CPO output appeared to have already peaked in August and is heading lower towards a low cycle in the period of first quarter of next year. So the uncertain near-term production output coupled with the presumed stable demand ahead of an early Ramadan, which will be in March, April of next year, as well as the Chinese New Year, which is in January, February, will paint a positive short-term CPO price outlook. But CPO price is now at a premium over its alternatives, like the soy oil, sunflower, rapeseed oils, as well as gas oil, which makes it uncompetitive and warrants demand rationing. However, a sharp CPO price correction will only happen when the supply normalizes. Given that the year-to-date strength of the CPO price, our analysts have recently raised their 2024 as well as 2025 CPO average selling prices forecast to 4,200 per ton for 2024 as well as 4,000 ringgit per ton for 2025. They will review this earning forecast for the stocks under our coverage in the upcoming reporting season, which is happening right now in November, for revisions to ASP, levy, windfall taxes, higher unit costs to factor in the new minimum wage, as well as fresh output guidance.
Okay, great. I think just to close that loop, I'm sure our listeners just want to find out some color on the current target prices of our plantation sector's buy calls.
Okay, sure. So our preferred buys right now, we have SD Guthrie, Genting Plantation, as well as Sarawak All Palms. As for target prices, they are currently 5 ringgit 20 cents for SD Guthrie, 5 ringgit 95 cents for Genting Plantation, and for SOP, Sarawak All Palms, it's 4 ringgit 10 cents.
All right, great. Thank you, Amirah. So aside to the audience, if you want to find out more information about today's Borak topic, you can get more details from our latest plantation sector report on your Maybank Trade MY app. Just head over to the Discover tab and you will be able to find it there. If you are new to the markets and have an interest in trading stocks, structured warrants, or even futures, you can approach our sales representatives at your nearest Maybank branch, and they will be more than happy to help you get started off on that journey. With that, we'll catch everyone in the next episode. But until then, this is Najib signing off.